Hello students, today we are going to do in grammar lesson number 24, that is sentences and its kinds. Now what is a sentence? We can say a group of words that is assembled together in a proper manner and which gives you a complete sense. We call it to be a sentence. Like the children walked all the way to the bus stop. Over here the total words are assembled together and placed in a proper manner to give you a complete meaning, and so we call it to be a sentence. Now let us see kinds of sentences. Now there are four kinds of sentences. First kind is declarative sentence. Out of declarative sentence we can divide it into two, that is assertive and negative. Assertive sentence where it is always a positive, whereas in negative sentence it is always a negative, that is we use not. Now second is interrogative sentence. In this interrogative sentence questions are asked. Interrogate is to ask questions, like where did you find this book? There is a question mark, that is questions asked. When is Rohit returning from Mumbai? Again a question asked. So the sentence that asks questions, we call it to be interrogative sentence. Then let us see the next one, that is imperative sentence. Now what is imperative sentence? The sentence that give an order or a command or make a request. We call it to be interrogative sentence. Like don't be hasty about making this decision. So over here this is a request or an advice given. Please return these books to the library. Again there is, you can say over here a request is made. Okay, now like command, get out of the class, go and bring me this. So these are the command or the order sentences. Okay, now read these sentences. Now next comes exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence means when you show on a pen or paper, when you show your sudden feeling of joy, sudden feeling of delightness, sudden feeling of happiness or sadness, that is said to be exclamatory sentence. Now what a responsible girl your sister is, that is out of delight. How delighted I am at the news, that is a delightful, that is all of a sudden you have the feeling of delightness. What a terrible accident it was. All of a sudden you heard of an accident and you are feeling pity. So that a type of an, you can say, feeling is explained in exclamatory sentence. Okay, so how many kinds of sentences we have learned? Declarative, interrogative, then you have imperative and you have exclamatory. And in declarative, as I told you, here only, what do you say? There it is only, you can say, a statement is made and it is divided again. This declarative sentence is again divided into two parts, that is assertive and negative. It's a very easy one and I hope you have understood. Next we have the exercises. Please try to do the exercises, okay? And soon I am going to post it. Now what has been given over here? Now changing sentence from one type to another. That means how you change from one sentence to another. You can change sentence from one form to another. Declarative sentences can be changed to interrogative sentences and interrogative sentences can be changed to declarative sentences. Like there were many people waiting to board the train. Declarative. Now if you want to change it, how will you do it? You have to add a question word or you have to use the auxiliary verb. Like were there many people waiting to board the train? The road was too uneven for a smooth dive. Declarative. Now you have to, when you are asking a question, you are using the auxiliary verb first. Was the road too uneven for a smooth drive. So in this manner, it is said that when you change from declarative to interrogative, you have to shift the position of auxiliary verb. That is, the auxiliary verb will take the first position in the sentence. Okay. So in this manner, we change from declarative to interrogative. Okay, I think you have understood in this manner. Now we have exercises. Now how to change from declarative to exclamatory. Now it is said it was a wonderful day. Now again we are going to use a question word to explain what a wonderful day. Now the flamingos in the park looked unbelievably beautiful. How unbelievably beautiful the flamingos in the park looked. So what we have to do? We change declarative to sentence to an exclamatory sentence by using the structure usually starting with what or how. If we start the sentence with what or how, we change from declarative to exclamatory. Like we say what, and before adjective and noun, we use how before an adjective, which is now not followed by a noun. Okay, adjective is not followed by a noun. So we have this much. I hope you are clear with the video and you don't have any problem in understanding this. Try out to do the exercises. Thank you, students.